Welcome back to Autoscope. Peugeot Motorhome 2026, a fusion of comfort, design, and technology. Exterior design: high-end materials, lightweight but sturdy materials will be used to keep the car at the optimal weight. An outdoor storage space for camping equipment. Appropriately positioned windows and roof vents will ensure sufficient ventilation and natural illumination inside. Modern and aerodynamic style. The external design will incorporate Peugeot's iconic front grille, streamlined LED lighting, and aerodynamic body lines. Usability and interior design. Modern kitchen. The kitchen will feature an induction or gas stove, a sink with hot and cold water, a spacious refrigerator, and ingenious food and cooking tool storage. Above the driver's cabin is a fold-down bunk, and at the rear is a fixed double bed. Optimal storage. Some examples of ingenious, integrated storage solutions that will be crucial are closets, wall shelves, and underbed drawers. Engine performance. There are many modern, powerful, and effective diesel engines available, some of which may use mild hybrid technology to reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency. Technologies for safety and driver assistance, in addition to safety standards. Advanced technologies such as automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assistance will be given priority. Technology and connectivity. Advanced infotainment system. The driver's cabin will be equipped with a state-of-the-art touchscreen infotainment system that incorporates GPS navigation. Entertainment. A retractable flat-screen TV and a top-tier audio system are possible additional entertainment choices. Comfort and sustainability. Superior interior materials. The materials chosen are long-lasting and readily cleaned. LED ambient lighting. Energy-efficient LED lighting solutions will be used to illuminate the interior. Improved thermal and acoustic insulation will reduce outdoor noise.